The draft disability assessment report of Grenada, Carriacou and Petite Martinique is based on a qualitative study conducted in 2020 into 2021 and a quantitative survey in 2023 by the University of the West Indies. The aim is for stakeholders, including the Caribbean Development Bank, the Ministry of Social and Community Development and Gender Affairs, the Central Statistical Office, the National Council for the Disabled, among others, to dissect the findings and make worthwhile policy recommendations. Professor Audrey Henry Lee said the project is significant to the University of the West Indies. It is hoped that the findings will also guide the formulation of Grenada's national disability policy.
It's a very important project for us at the University of the West Indies, as we are keen to contribute to the formulation, implementation, monitoring and evaluation of policies that reduce the vulnerability of marginalized groups in the Caribbean region. We kindly ask that all participants in the consultative sessions critically discuss the findings and suggest short-term, medium-term, and long-term policy recommendations that will reduce the vulnerabilities that persons with disabilities face in Grenada.
Dr. Warren Benfield, economist and CDB team, said this project, funded by the Caribbean Development Bank, have over the years identified the needs and mobilized resources to enhance policies and technical capacity of 4 Caribbean islands, namely St. Lucia, Jamaica, Trinidad and Tobago, and Grenada.
The conduct of disabilities assessment and policy dialogue is designed to help this tri-island state design, implement, monitor, and evaluate evidence-based programs that mainstream disability through the availability of quantitative and qualitative data on disabilities. Strategic priority areas for program and support and policy guidance have been defined based on findings from this technical assistance initiative.
Minister with responsibility for social and community development, Senator Gloria Thomas, said they are aware that people with disability are capable of making valuable contributions to national development. However, they are not meaningfully represented in our socio-economic landscape.
Government of Grenada recognizes there is a critical need to strengthen social services provision and social protection for persons with disabilities, which in turn will support the implementation of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities, which was signed in 2010 and ratified in 2014. Our commitment to the foundational pillars of the Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disability, further embedded in 2009 National Sustainable Development Plan 2020-2025, which acknowledges the need to expand and enhance support services for people with disabilities. The assessment sets the stage for the development of a national disability policy and action plan, which is poised to establish the institutional and legislative framework needed to strategically implement the Convention on the Rights of the People with Disability nationally.
Christina John, GBN News.